Hi friends, Brooke here, creator of BrookeAlexandra.tv, and welcome to day number 5 of the Resolution Change Makers Challenge 2016 to better your year and better your life. Today's challenge is all around clearing space and energy and time. So when you're clearing these areas out, you're making space and spaciousness for new things to show up, for you to be able to put your energy into what it is that you truly desire and building the lifestyle that you want for yourself. Just like we talked about in personal boundaries, clearing up that space leaves room for you to dive in to new things, especially keeping your New Year's resolutions, because you make sure that you have created time for it every day and reaching your goals. Freeing up time and space and energy can happen in all different areas of your life, your mental realm, your emotional, environmental, physical, and spiritual. Whatever seems to be clouded and kind of has stagnancy in it, you can work out and create space. Now, for the physical realm, one of the best ways that I know to create space, which really trickles into all the other areas, is something called the 2-minute rule. This originally comes from David Allen's book, Getting Things Done, but I read about it through one of my favorite bloggers, James Clear, and he is a productivity guru, kind of. He does all the research and finds out how to create new habits, and he's a really great person to follow for these types of things. The 2-minute rule is very, very simple, but it makes huge differences in your life. The 2-minute rule is anything that you can get done in under 2 minutes, do it now. Again, anything that you can get done in under 2 minutes, 2 minutes or less, 120 seconds, do it now. Do you need to send that email? Do you need to tidy up your kitchen after you ate a meal? Anything that you can do in a small amount of time, what this does is it clears up energy, it clears up time, it clears up space, because let's say in your home, you do a quick tidy up, maybe making your bed. This is a big one for me. Making my bed in the morning absolutely starts my day off right. It gets the feng shui right in my room, everything's in order, everything's in place, I don't feel disheveled, things aren't everywhere, it's tidy, it's in order, and then I can focus on other things. So what did that do? That actually cleared up energetic space for me, which allows me to focus on other things that are much more important than feeling chaotic in my bedroom when I'm getting ready for the day. So David Allen's idea was the 2-minute rule. Now, anything you can get done in under 2 minutes, then you do it now. And James Clear added another layer to this. And that's all about creating little sections for your goals that are 2 minutes or less. If you have a goal to go run every day or to go work out every day, how can you take that and make a 2-minute little exercise for you to get going? Maybe it's putting on your shoes before you go to the gym, but you can get your shoes on in less than 2 minutes and get out the door. And that starts you on your path. That gets the momentum going. And this is a huge thing when you're trying to reach your goals and keep your resolutions, is really getting the momentum going, getting that inertia so that you can move forward and accomplish your goals. The amazing thing about creating momentum or inertia, where it's objects in motion stay in motion, Sir Isaac Newton. Again, I love that quote because I think about it all the time. If I start to get stagnant, I get up, get my body moving, get some things going, and then naturally good things start to happen. All sorts of good things start to happen once you get the ball rolling. You take one action step and the next one naturally reveals itself. That's how we can continue on the path of getting what we want accomplished. The challenge today is to start with one thing that you know that you can do in under 2 minutes. I'm going to have you do this in 2 categories. One is anything you can go do under 2 minutes that's going to free up some time, space, or energy. Go do it now. And again, it could be putting on your shoes to get out the door. It could be running the hot water in the sink to start the dishes. Whatever that little thing you can do to get the ball rolling, start it. And then the second part is I want you to find one of your big goals. And like we talked about, bite-sized steps, baby steps to get to where you want to go. I want you to take one of your big goals for this year and find what is a 2-minute little thing that you can do every day to move towards that goal. And the second step is to take one goal or even your resolution and find what is 2 minutes that you can break down, a 2-minute exercise, a 2-minute must do every day that you can add to your routine to really get the ball rolling. For me, I make the bed in the morning and everything runs more smoothly. I'm freed up, my energy is not chaotic and crazy, and I can move forth with my day with grace and ease. Please let me know what you've decided for your 2 minutes in each area, what it is that you're going to be doing every day, and what you did today. Remember to hashtag Changemakers Challenge 2016 on Facebook and Instagram, and I will see you tomorrow. Signing off with so much love and gratitude. Ciao for now.